Hello and welcome back. Everyone loves food, and talking about food is one of the most enjoyable conversation topics in English. Today we'll learn how to describe food, talk about cooking, discuss dietary preferences, and share food experiences. Whether you're at a dinner party, a restaurant, or chatting with colleagues, these phrases will come in very handy. Let's eat. Let's start with how to describe the taste and texture of food. Positive descriptions. This is absolutely delicious. It's really tasty. It's quite rich, very flavorful. It's beautifully seasoned. It melts in your mouth. Extremely soft and tender. It's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Negative descriptions, politely, it's a bit bland, could do with more seasoning. It's slightly overcooked. It's quite heavy, very filling. It's a bit too sweet for my taste. It's not really to my liking, but I can see why people enjoy it. Taste vocabulary: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, mild, tangy, savory, rich, light, creamy, zesty. Texture vocabulary: crispy, crunchy, tender, chewy, smooth, silky, fluffy, dense, gooey. Now let's talk about cooking methods and kitchen language. Common cooking verbs: I baked a chocolate cake this weekend. We grilled the chicken on the barbecue. I roasted the vegetables in the oven. She fried the eggs in butter. I simmered the sauce for 20 minutes. He steamed the broccoli. I marinated the meat overnight. To marinate means to soak meat or fish in a flavored liquid before cooking. To simmer means to cook gently in liquid just below boiling point. Talking about cooking skills, I love cooking, it's very therapeutic. I'm not a great cook, but I can manage the basics. I'm quite good at baking. I follow recipes mostly, but I like to experiment too. I can't cook to save my life. A funny way of saying you're a terrible cook. In modern English-speaking society, it's very common to ask about dietary preferences, especially at dinner parties or when ordering food. Dietary choices: I'm vegetarian, I don't eat meat. I'm vegan, I avoid all animal products including dairy and eggs. I'm pescatarian, I eat fish but not meat. I eat a plant-based diet. I'm gluten-free. I'm lactose intolerant, dairy doesn't agree with me. Allergies: I'm allergic to nuts, it's quite serious. I have a shellfish allergy. I can't eat gluten, it makes me very ill. Asking politely about restrictions: do you have any dietary requirements? Is there anything you can't eat? Let me know if you have any allergies, I want to make sure you can eat everything. Responding: I eat pretty much everything, no restrictions. I'm a bit picky, but I'll eat most things. I try to avoid red meat, but it's not strict. Food is deeply connected to culture. Here's how to talk about food experiences. Have you tried Ethiopian food? It's incredible. I had the most amazing sushi when I was in Tokyo. Street food in Vietnam is on another level. I love Italian food, I could eat pasta every day. I'm not really a fan of very spicy food, I can't handle the heat. Talking about food memories, my grandmother's cooking was the best, I still think about her apple pie. Nothing beats a home-cooked meal after a long week. There's this little restaurant near my house that does the most amazing pizza. Food idioms: it's a piece of cake. It's very easy. He's the breadwinner in the family. He earns the most money. She's got a lot on her plate right now. She's very busy. We're in a real pickle. We're in trouble. That's the icing on the cake. Something extra that makes a good thing even better. Delicious work today. Here's what we covered. We practiced describing food: delicious, rich, crispy, bland, gooey, tangy. We learned cooking vocabulary: bake, grill, roast, simmer, marinate. We covered dietary preferences and allergies, essential for modern life. And we looked at food culture, experiences, and food idioms. Your challenge: describe your favorite meal in detail using at least 5 vocabulary words from today. Where is it from? How is it cooked? What does it taste like? I'll see you in the next lesson. Bon appetit.